So look, when I was a kid, right, I used to eat ChapStick. My dad's ChapStick more so, and he would hate it. But I was reading this article, and I'm gonna tag the article. I put it in the description for you all to check out. Um, ChapStick is not good for you. So, yes, Mike Turner, please. So I'm gonna call the old man real quick, and I'm just gonna ask him if he knew it was some trash. And he's probably gonna say no, but we're gonna find out together. Let's find out here. He better answer this phone, or he just ruins the whole video. Like if he doesn't answer, it'll mess the entire video up. So come on. Hey, what's up, y'all? So if you can do me a solid favor, just like hit that subscribe button, I totally appreciate it. It really helps, grow the channel, and hit the little bell notification so you know when we get all the cool. All the cool stuff. That one. Hit that one. Hit the one that says all. Hit that one. Okay? The one that says all. That's the one you want to hit. All. La, 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 la. Thank you.
How can I help you? Service department, can I help you?
Hello, Father. How are you?
Hey, little man, what's up?
Hey, real quick. Did you remember like when I was a kid, I used to eat your ChapStick?
Yeah, I remember strawberry and cherry. Always ate my damn chapstick.
Right. It was delicious. It tasted great.
You say so?
Right. Yeah. So I'm doing a video right now, and it's about ChapStick. Did you know that stuff is like dangerous? Not super dangerous, obviously. No one died from it, but it could kill you. Yeah.
It could kill you by putting it on your lips? Because you know if it's on your lips, it's going to go in your mouth eventually.
Right. So there's like an ingredient here called camphor, right? And it's a waxy substance derived from like the camphor.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. So it says like ingestion of even small doses of camphor can cause fatal poisoning in small children.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, right. It possesses like, it produces gastrointestinal. I mean, I may have been the only kid that ever ate ChapStick, but.
Other kids probably did the same thing, but you actually searched it out, grabbed it, found it, stole it, and ate them.
But I'm well moisturized now, so maybe that's the good reason. Like maybe that worked out.
You're what?
Well moisturized now, so maybe that was like the trade-off. Right, my potential, fatal gastrointestinal, central nervous system, irritation, and toxic ingestion. But okay, but that's all. I was just trying to, see if you knew that, because I'm sure I didn't know that.
I still use ChapStick.
Yeah,
I just don't eat it.
Right. So we're gonna change that. I'm just next time I see you, I'm gonna bring you a bunch of our lip balm so you can use that on your lips, because.
Yeah, you have something I can use. Don't have to put my finger in.
Of course I do. Come on.
Okay, got a little tube. I can,
It does. It does have a little tube. Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't be talking about ChapStick. Just
I'm just, it popped in my head. I was in the store the other day and I noticed that I looked at the ingredients on ChapStick and I was like, what is this crap? So I started looking it up and was like, whoa.
What you should do when you do a video, say, hey, back to the thing, I used to eat ChapStick. Strawberry, cherry, they put the pineapple, all the good flavors.
There was some good flavors. Yes.
I didn't know there was a possibility about eating this ChapStick as a little kid that I killed my damn self.
Right, that's very true. Yeah, they have one now. It's like coffee.
Yeah,
so you can coffee.
You have an alternative in case your kids get in your ChapStick.
Right.
Or get into your lip balm. This is much better for them.
Okay, that's a good way to do it.
Like all natural stuff, right?
Yes, 100% natural. You know that. Yes.
Yeah, so I'm not saying, because here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to really be talking about ChapStick.
Right,
so
yeah.
What you say is, look, I'm not trying to dog out ChapStick.
Okay.
Or Chap It.
Okay, Chap It, right. That was the other one, right, the cheap one.
Birch Bees. Right? Whoever got this stuff in it. I understand it works or whatever. I ate it. I didn't die, but I'm just saying, in case you don't want this to ever happen to your kid.
Right.
Here's an alternative.
Okay. Let me do that.
All right, brother. Let me know how that work out.
All right, Papa. Love you.
All right. Love you too.
All right. See you. Hey, what's up, folks? My name is Mike. I'm from Netter Gold, and I'm not here to talk about ChapStick or downgrade them at all, but I will let you know that I didn't know as a kid when I ate the strawberry, the pineapple, or even the cherry, it could possibly kill me as a child. And I don't want that for you. So if you're a parent, just like I'm a parent of two, I want you to check out our natural alternative when it comes to lip balm. Okay, we have turtle balm, bee balm, all right? They're fantastic balms, all right? There's also even a wolf balm. Are we still selling wolf balm? No, turtle balm and bee balm. Hold up. What's up, folks? Mike from Net Go, and we have a great alternative to ChapStick, Burt's Bees, and Chap It. It's called Bee Balm and Turtle Balm. Fantastic balms for your lips to make them super luscious, super enjoyable. Let me grab one for you, shall we? Look here, this one here, all natural. Let me read the ingredients for you. This is turtle balm. Has shea butter, avocado butter, aloe butter, beeswax, natural beeswax, okay? Hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, and some red palm oil. Naturally sourced from a non-orangutan area. You just put it on your lips just like that, and you're good to go. Now look, if your kid decides they want to eat a little bit, it tastes disgusting, which will deter them. So waxy. Which will deter them from ever trying to eat your chapstick again. My father had an issue with me eating his chapstick, and now he doesn't have it anymore because I'm a grown man. But it's like so waxy in the top. Dropped it. It's like so waxy. But yes, turtle balm, bee balm, fantastic for you and your little ones. So please do us a solid favor, check us out. I'm gonna put the link below for you all, okay? I'm also gonna link the article that I was mentioning earlier when it comes to the potential hazardous ingredients inside of chapstick. Now, of course, it's probably such a small amount of this ingredient, you know, such a small amount of this chemical that can cause you issues that it's deemed safe by, you know, the people, the scientists, the money makers. But I want you to do me a solid favor. I want you, actually, no, do yourself a solid favor. It's still so waxy. Do yourself a solid favor and do yourself a solid favor and check out all the ingredients you're using in your life right now. Just take a look, you know, grab some stuff, read the ingredients, and just see if there's anything in there you don't fully understand off the top of your head. You see shea butter, you know it comes from a shea tree. You see aloe butter, you know it comes from an aloe plant, you know aloe vera juice. You see cocoa butter, it comes from a cocoa pod. Easy stuff. But if you see something that says like metafluorian, question it. Take a look at it and see what it is. I'm currently doing the same thing with all the stuff we have in our house, and a lot of stuff isn't good. You know, there's certain things in there like, you know, some old shampoos that we don't use, and I look at the ingredients and say, wow, this is what I was using before this. Interesting. It's important to take a look, see exactly what you're putting in your body, because remember the skin absorbs about 60% of what you take in. And remember, chapstick goes in your lips, one of the softest parts of your body, you know, and you put your lips in a lot of places. So imagine chapstick, potentially hazardous, again, potentially, we don't know for sure, oh, okay, and putting it someplace southern that kind of gets internal, if you get my drift. Got an airplane going by. It's chapstick about to drop a bomb on me, I know it. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I just want to make sure you take a second to really look at and examine what you're using on your product, or using on your body, in your body and whatnot, because you just never know. You just never know what these things are, okay? So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a solid favor, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment of something you'd be interested in watching going forward. I'm doing my best to create something that I find interesting for you all, but then again, I'm just me, so, you know, Beyblades and Pokemon is not for everybody. So, thank you so much. Enjoy yourselves and have a beautiful day. Yeah. Tea. You should drink tea. It's really good. You should drink a lot of tea. Drink a lot of tea. It's good for you. Tea's good. You know, tea's really good. Ugh. All right, I'm out of tea. Okay, look, so I've been using this tea from a company called Back to Eden. They sent me some tea, and it's pretty fantastic. I let my mother-in-law get another one. I gotta do a review for her as well. I gotta get her like on camera, but I gotta make more tea. Also, I got a book. It's a magazine. It's called We Talkin' Magazine, and one thing I like about magazines is I feel as though it's a lost art form, and it's something that's gonna last forever. This is something you can just, you know, you can really show your kids later on in life. And I think it's just fantastic. I think it's something we don't utilize well enough or often enough, just because we're in such a fast-paced kind of environment, kind of world, that we just print. Even though they say print's going dead, but I think it's really important. If you know anybody that is trying to get into a magazine or has a magazine, you know, support them, because it is a fantastic way of moving forward. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I got my hands on some more stuff here, and I'm excited to open it up. So, big knife time. I can't stab this one though because it's wraps and accessories, but from Jess Rawlings, wraps and accessories. So, let's go through. Gut it. All right, let's open this thing up. Ooh. Stuff. All right, so we got Jess Rawlings. You all can't see this. It's probably blown out on camera, but we got right here Jess Rawlings. Adding culture to your everyday style and decor. Wrapping your head, home, and heart. Okay. Greetings, Net of Gold. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Let me read this.
One eternity later, because I reached low.
Okay, cool. So Jess sends a very lovely letter and stuff. So we got one handmade fabric shower curtain. So I think that's this right here. And everything is handmade, so that's super dope. We got one fabric shower curtain. Sweet. Yep, there are the holes. Okay. So I got one shower curtain. Dope. Okay, let's see. Then we have two handmade baby bibs and over-the-shoulder burp cloth set. So this is like a bib. Okay. We got two bibs. 1, 2. Hold up. And the burp cloth. Okay, so you put this over your shoulder. And it has the baby bib. Velcro. Put the little joint on there. Super soft. Beautiful fabric, and it's matching as well. It's dope. So you can flip it over if you want, or you can go this side. Wow. Okay. And you know we got a brand new baby. And the man definitely burps on me all the time. Do the jerk. And hit it with this one again. Another one. Nice. This is beautiful. Jeez. All right, let's see. Okay, then we have one set of handmade coasters. Oh. See, now it makes me wish I had people over, had company, because then I can show them my stuff. But I don't have company because I don't like people enough for them to be in my house all the time. But these are gorgeous. Then, what do we have here? One stretch cotton multi-use wrap. So we got a multi-use wrap. And I don't know, let's see. Because this could be a baby wrap. If wrapped properly. Too short for a baby wrap, but figure something out. All right, let's see. And then we got 3 keychain zipper pulls. Bam. Open these things up. It's 1. 2. 3. So I don't know what I'm gonna put these on, but I do have stuff. This could make a nice like camera strap probably. Huh, so a camera strap. So these are gorgeous. Huh, okay, Jess, so thank you so much. Yeah, this is way more than wow. Yeah, so Jess she has 3 businesses. Jess Rawlings LLC is her overall name, and then she has the wraps, the home and body type of stuff, or home stuff, sorry, and motherhood. So, yeah, this is dope. No, I said it's in Jess Rawlings. Raining, Jess Raining. Wow. I need to work on my reading comprehension skills. But yeah, super dope. Amazing. So please, if you're watching this video, give her a follow on the gram. I'm gonna tag it up like right in this area, or it's probably been up the whole video. I don't know how to do these things anymore, but definitely give her a follow, check it out, because this stuff is super dope. And I'm just excited for the shower curtain. I think I'll put it in Chris's bath. No. Oh, I gotta figure out where I'll put it. But it's gonna go somewhere. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Yeah. It's a good day, right? Good day. So, see ya.